Creating a beautiful medium-sized box braid style for my client. She wanted a look that is versatile and easy to manage, so we decided that medium box braid will be the perfect fit. So sit down, relax, and I will take you through the process. Stay tuned. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So I started off by showing you the expression I'll be using for the style. The length and the thickness really matter, so I carefully prep the hair, put them on the braiding rack to make sure the braids fall just right. So I cut the extension into 4 sections for the back and 3 sections for the front. So this allows us to keep the length just a little longer in the front, framing the face nicely, while also keeping a balanced weight and look throughout. So as usual, I still go in by massaging my client's hair. As you can see before now, massage her hair before start braiding. So this is us braiding the hair, giving her that the perfect size she wanted. She doesn't want something too heavy. She just wanted something for school and easy to manage. So once the hair was ready, I moved on in the braiding technique itself. I wanted to make sure each braid started with a strong, neat base at the root. So I took my time to show how to securely attach the extension to the natural hair and braid it all the way down to the end. This method ensures that each braid is tight enough to stay in place but still comfortable for my clients. For anyone who is new to braiding, I hope the pattern I will be showing you will really help in giving you the step-by-step view on how to start and finish each braid with a neat polished look. Yeah. So what I did here was I took the extension, then grabbed the root of her hair, take one of the extensions to the other part of her head, then her natural hair, I divided it into 2 before crossing them over and start braiding just like this. So I keep on braiding like this till I get to the ends of the length you wanted. Yeah. I'll be showing you what I did again. I took the hair, grabbed the root of her hair, then I used the extension, separate her own natural hair into 2, 1 for each side. Instead of 3, I separated it into 2. This is a technique I feel when I use it, to me, I feel when I use it, it helps the hair to last longer. So I keep on braiding till I get to the length where she wanted. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more styling tips and tutorials. Share to your family and friends and tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. Thank you. While braiding, I didn't finish the hair to the ends because of time, and I got some help from one of my friends. So once I finished from the roots, we started finishing the ends of the hair that I haven't finished yet. So the root matters first. We finished the root, then we started braiding the rest of the hair till we finished. So to add a little flair to the style, I incorporated curls at the ends of the braids. I created these by braiding larger section towards the ends of each braid, which gives us more voluminous, soft look that really adds character to the finished style. So once all the braids were done, I dipped them in hot water to help set the coils and seal the ends. This step is essential because it makes the braids more flexible, reduces frizz, and helps to lock in the style. After dipping the braids in the hot water, I carefully dried them, making sure each section was set perfectly. So to finish off, I started to unravel the braids, then we added some mousse over the entire style. My client was so helpful that she wanted to apply this on her hair by herself, but yeah. The mousse smooths down any flyaways and gives the braids a glossy, polished look. And it also makes them look fresh and ready to go. So guys, tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. It's not too full, it's not heavy. The coils are there and she loves it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any look you would like me to cover next. See you in my next one. Bye. Daisy.